Okay, I am trying to do math in my head, not using a calculator, like I used to do when I was young. And I've seen a few videos, some of the people I follow. And at the end of one of the videos, I think it was Max Egan, the Crow host, he had three different examples of how to do math: how North Koreans do math, how Chinese do math, and then some other guy didn't state the nationality, but he used simple lines. Uh, like if it was a seven, a four, and a two, he'd make 7 lines, 4 lines, and 2 lines. And if it was times by seven, he would draw lines across those lines horizontally, 7 more lines. And by doing so, he could come to the conclusion of the particular equation. Now, I'm trying to do some math in my head. I did cheat a little bit to try to get trigger my brain to figure this out. And what I came up with was 742 times 7. Do it with your brain. Like I said, I cheated, but I did finally do it with my brain so I could get my brain, exercise my brain to remember the sequences needed to solve this problem. So, okay, here we go. I'm going to try to explain it. 742 times 7. I'm going to start with the 2. 7 times 2 is 14. So the very single digit, the lowest, the single digit number I'm going to use here is a 4, because it's 2 times 7, 4. But I have a 1 before it because it's 14. So that 1 has to be moved to the next number as I move up the chain. So 740. Oh, shit. I screwed it up. 742. Okay. I remember now. 742 times 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. I got to add a 1 to the next number. 4 times 7 is 28. So the 1 added to that number would be a 9. So 9, 4. And the last one that I have to multiply is 7 by 7. That's 49. But I have to move a 1 from both the 4 and the 28, which is now a 9. I got to add another 1 to the 7. So it's 51. Christ. It's so hard to do in your brain. 14, 28, 29. 5194 is the answer. 724. No, 742 times 7 is 5,194. Oh my God, man. It's making my brain hurt, but it's good. It's good to remember that I can do that. If you exercise your brain enough, you can figure this stuff out. Mathematics. It's the language of the universe, right? So we're told. 742 times 7. It's 5,194. Hey, it's good to know math. Ciao.